I want to show you how these pleated blinds work in the perfect fit frames. They're a great solution for French doors. Here we have a pair of French doors, and the customer doesn't want vertical blinds. They didn't want anything that's going to hang down. They just want it to be clean, contemporary, out of the way, so when you open the door, the blind goes with it. And the way these blinds work is you've got a frame that goes all the way around the glass. The frame is attached to the door, and the blind sits inside the frame. Now with perfect fit pleated blinds, you've got the option where you can have the line come down from the top or up from the bottom, whatever you choose. If you're going to have them upstairs, it's great to have that feature because you can see downstairs, but you can still maintain the privacy so people can't see you or keep the sun out. So it's a nice little feature, and it just gives you a bit more flexibility from the blind. The way that they work is they're fully tensioned. This is the perfect fit blind in a frame. You see this spring here. The blinds are fully tensioned and tied onto the spring. That tension is what stops the blind from slipping and sliding. So that tension means that wherever you leave it, it'll stay. And in terms of how they're fixed into the door, see these brackets here? These brackets slide between the glass and the rubber. So you have brackets strategically placed in 4 positions on the left, 4 positions on the right, and then these holes in the perfect fit frame clip onto the bracket, and they snap into place. And when they snap into place, this is what you're left with, and you're left with a blind that operates really simply, just like that. Great product.